Skulker? The Ectopuses? I don't understand.
Enough! I didn't free you to boy, Skulker.
You are one seriously crazed up Fruit Loop.
We'll see how you feel. My vultures were supposed
You are one seriously crazed up Fruit Loop.
just so I could you, Jack. I have experience, my child.
You are one seriously crazed up Fruit Loop. I don't understand.
Of course not. You're what, 14? I have experience, my child.
I don't want to you.
No. No, you don't.
Oh, great. What are you gonna do?
Tell me, child, can you do this yet? I have experience, my child.
You are one seriously Fruit Loop. I don't want to you.
We'll see how you feel. Tell me, child, can you do this yet?
Oh, I can't. How are you doing all this?
I have experience, my child.
You are one seriously crazed up Fruit Loop. Skulker?
We live in a big, beautiful world. I'm Leo. I'm Andy. And I'm Carmen. Our parents work in a circus that travels all around the world, and we travel with them. So we never know where in the world we will end up next. But wherever we go, we know that Luna the Moon will be there with us.
Traveling the world as a trio. Andy and Carmen and Leo. With Luna the Moon as some new friends too.